Diagram, we will understand what are the degree of freedom for a different kinematic pairs. So first one is the revolving or turning pairs. Okay, so there the degree of freedom will be 1. So in this case, in short, degree of freedom we'll write, so here 1. So in this case, this shaft, it can only make the rotary motion. It cannot make any sliding or prismatic. So the turning pair is also called as revolving pair. Okay. So the degree of freedom in this, it will be 1. In the second case, it is an sliding or prismatic pair. Right. So this square rod, it is reciprocates within the block. So this square, it cannot make any rotary motion. It can make only sliding or the reciprocating. So the degree of freedom in the second case is also 1. Okay. Now the third one is cylindrical pair. So in a block, a circular shaft, it can rotates and also it can slide or reciprocates, because there is no collar here. In the first case, it's having a collars are connected, so it can only rotate, it cannot make any sliding here. But in this case, it can rotate as well as it can reciprocate. So the degree of freedom in this case, it will be 2. Now coming to the third case, screw pair. Okay, so this is an example of nut and bolt. So when the nut can make rotary motion and this bolt, it can slides. Okay, it can make the motion in the this direction. Okay, when this is rotating. So it's having degree of freedom 2. Clear? Now third one is spherical pair. Okay, like a joints. Here it can make the rotary motion, like this can this there is a ball inside. Okay, and having a socket. So this total it can rotate in 360 degree. So having the theta here. Okay, it is an angular movement, so it can move in x, y and also z direction. So their degree of freedom, it will be 3. Now the next one is planar motion. Here this plate, it can move in y direction, x direction and also make the rotary motion. So again the degree of freedom, you can say 3, 1, 2 and 3. And next one is higher pair. The degree of freedom will understand. So this follower, it can reciprocates and also cam, it can rotate. So the degree of freedom will be 2 in this case. Okay, hope you understood the degree of freedom for a different pairs on the relative motion with each other. And thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and thank you for supporting. Have a good day.